Hi everyone, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw Toon Bushy from Fortnite. So let's go in at the top here. It's quite a black and white character, so we're just going to use the black Sharpie, maybe a little bit of shading for grey as well. Start at the top, he's got kind of like jagged hair going on, so he's got one big main jag at the top there. So I'm going to do a little triangle area, like pointed area like so. Then I'm going to move down like this, just jagged and jagged sort of V's all around his head area. Same thing on this side. I'm going to do some jagged areas down like so. Brilliant. Okay, that's the main part of his outer head. Then let's put a dot there. Okay, we're going to do a little arc out here and an arc out here. Then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to just do some jagged areas around the inner part, the smaller ones at the bottom there, like so, and then just meet those up like that. It's got a nose in the middle of this area here, which is like a elongated semicircle, elongated circle, like so. Little smile, like that. And then his eyes are here, so I'm going to start at the top here and come down to here on this side, and at the top here come down to here on this side. And he's got two cartoon little chips to show the light, so again I'm going to put another couple of V's in here like so, and then I'm going to match these up and just draw some circular area around that. Let's fill that in. Same here, just going to draw around that and then we can fill that in. Cool, there's his head, that looks good. Let's do his body. So he's got a belt on with kind of like acorn bits of ammo. So let's just put that in. Let's do a line here and then a line out there. Match up, just cut it up there. Then I'm going to do a line down to there. And he's got these like acorn like grenades on him, so let's just work this out. It's got three, so I'm going to do a line here, a line here, and a line here. Great, okay, let's just make those into rectangles like so. Next we're just going to do like almost like little leaves, like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, lines like so, and then we can just match those up, join them up like that. Brilliant. Okay, we're just going to do a line down here, and then we're just going to do the underside of the belt, so we're just going to match up underneath those little acorn bits. We can do the rest of the body area here. So again, we're going to go back to sort of a jagged look. I'm going to do jagged edges, 2 out like that. And there's 1 under here, and then just a few, and it kind of goes out. 1 big one in the middle there, and then move out, and just sort of like a tree in a way, and join that up right there. Let's do his arms. So his arms just go straight out. So there's not really any elbow or anything, so I'm just going to go down to where his wrist area would be. So here's 1, this is the underside. I'm going to just join up to about here, like so. Then we're going to do this side, join it up here, and do the same on the other side here. So 1 out like so, and then another one like that. Then I'm going to do, this is his wrist, so just move down a bit, just do sort of like more quite a sharp looking thumb. And then I'm just going to move down here, line there, move up like that. That's his hand. Let's do the other side. So down here to sort of like a pincer area with the thumb, and up, and then down and around and match it up. And then we've got kind of jagged areas in there. Great, okay. He's got, I think, 3 little sort of cartoon elements in here as well. So I'm going to do little rectangles like that, maybe just 1, 2 rectangles there. I see he also has got a bit of white between his head and his body. So what I'm going to do, where I've got a gap here, just going to draw underneath, so we're going to end up with a little bit of a white line where the black is. Let's do his feet. So first of all, get his legs in. So I'm just going to do 2 lines out here, and then we'll do 2 lines out here, and he's got kind of like wide knees. So I'm just going to do a semicircle over the side of that leg, like so, and then a little spiral in the middle of that. Then we're going to do 2 more lines, 1, 2 for the bottom of his leg, and then 1, 2 the bottom of that leg. He's got kind of like circular bits where his boots go, so I'm going to do a bit of a rectangle, circular ends either side, sort of show that boot, like so. Okay, that's cool. Then his boot, I'm going to do a line down the back here, and the same on the other side. There we go. Let's draw a little curve in here, and then we're going to do the rest of his boot there. And they come up quite a way, so I'm going to draw that really high up to there and up. That's a cartoon boot. And then this side's the same, so a little arc there. Let's do a longer one, and then really go up quite high, join, kind of crazy boots. Then he's got quite big soles on these, so I'm just going to draw a really chunky sole, same sort of thing, an arc, and join up there. Shoes there. Let's just ground him. Let's just put a line on there. Okay, next thing for Toon Bushy, just put in some little bits on his arms, kind of like to show the roundness of it. They're sort of quite jagged as well. So I'm just going to do some lines in there, and on this one as well, just to show those off. There we go, that's great. He's got them on his legs as well, so just put a couple of lines in, like curved little lines, going across his legs. So there we are. Okay, then next up, what I want to do is now get a black pen, a bit of a thicker black pen here. And then what I want to do is start colouring in his main body area and his hands. So start on his hand here, we're just going to colour this in. And where we've done those little rectangle areas, we'll just leave those out, so it just shows off the white of his cartoon glove. That's great. Then we're going to do this whole body area in black, so let's just colour that all in. Okay, great, there's the bottom area. Let's do the top area. And I see as well, he's almost got a little bit taken out like around here. So I'm just gonna like do a little L shape there. And then I'm gonna colour in this top part here. Okay, cool. Let's do this hand. Colour in this area, just make sure where we've done those rectangles, we'll just colour around those. Alright, and now I've got this head area, so Toon Bushy's head area, where we went around earlier, we'll colour in those sort of that larger parts in black. Right, next up, Toon Bushy, although he is black and white, I want to add a little bit of grey just to give him a bit of a frosting and a bit of pop. So I'm going to get a light grey out, and let's just go around the sort of like the right hand side of him, just make it pop a little bit more. That's what we want to do. So just a little bit of grey just around here, just on his belt, on these special little grenades he's got, just a little bit down there, around on this side too, and then we can maybe just colour in down there. That's cool. Same thing here, just on the right hand side. Maybe just a little bit on the face, just around here. Excellent. All right, let's just put a bit in the background there. Nice one, that's looking really cool. Okay, I think that's it. That is Toon Bushy. Thanks for watching.